What's up everyone, welcome back to the Top 5 Tray. Today we're taking a look at a keyboard that's clearly built for people who want a balance of performance, portability, and customization. Not just a standard typing tool, but something that actually adapts to how you work, game, and create. This is the NuPhy Node 75, and right away it stands out with its compact 75% layout, low profile design, and tri-mode connectivity that makes it flexible for almost any setup. Quick reminder before we jump in, the product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If these detailed breakdowns help you upgrade your setup smarter, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech review, and let's dive into what makes the Node 75 such a versatile mechanical keyboard. Let's start with the layout. This is a 75% keyboard with 84 keys, which means you're getting a compact form factor without losing essential functionality. In real-world use, this gives you more desk space for your mouse, cleaner setups, and a more ergonomic typing position, especially useful for gaming or long work sessions. The low-profile design makes a noticeable difference in daily use. Keys sit lower, which reduces finger travel and makes typing feel faster and less tiring over time. It also gives the keyboard a sleek, modern look that fits well in both gaming and professional setups. Now let's talk about customization. The Node 75 features a hot-swappable design, which means you can change switches without soldering. In real-world terms, this gives you the freedom to experiment with different typing feels, whether you want something more tactile, smoother, or quieter. It's perfect for users who want to fine-tune their typing experience over time. This version comes with blush nano switches, offering a smooth and responsive feel that works well for both typing and gaming. The experience feels consistent and controlled, making it suitable for long sessions. Connectivity is where this keyboard really stands out. You're getting tri-mode connectivity, including Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired options. That means you can connect to multiple devices and switch between them easily. Use Bluetooth for tablets or laptops, 2.4 GHz for low latency gaming, and USB-C for a stable wired connection when needed. This flexibility makes it ideal for people who move between devices, whether you're working on a laptop, gaming on a PC, or using a tablet for productivity. The keyboard also supports touch gestures, adding another layer of control. This allows you to interact with your system in a more intuitive way, improving workflow efficiency without relying entirely on traditional key inputs. Compatibility is wide, with support for Windows, macOS, Linux, laptops, PCs, and tablets. No matter your setup, this keyboard is ready to integrate without issues. Visually, the Node 75 features an RGB backlit system, which enhances both aesthetics and usability. In low-light environments, the backlighting keeps keys visible, while also allowing you to customize the look of your setup. Whether you prefer subtle lighting or something more dynamic, RGB adds that personal touch. The PBT keycaps are another important detail. They're more durable than standard keycaps and resist wear over time. In real-world use, this means your keyboard maintains its texture and appearance even after long-term use, instead of becoming shiny or slippery. Build quality also matters, and the Node 75 uses materials like ABS, PBT, and polycarbonate, giving it a solid and durable feel. It doesn't feel cheap or hollow. It feels stable and reliable on your desk. Ergonomics are also part of the design. The keyboard is built to support comfortable typing angles, reducing strain during extended use. Whether you're typing for hours or gaming competitively, comfort plays a big role in overall performance. Inside the box, you're getting everything you need to get started, including a 2.4 GHz receiver, USB-C to USB-A adapter, and the keyboard itself, making setup quick and straightforward. What really defines the NuPhy Node 75 is how everything works together. The compact 75% layout, low-profile design, hot-swappable switches, tri-mode connectivity, RGB backlighting, durable PBT's keycaps, and wide compatibility all combine to create a keyboard that adapts to your workflow instead of limiting it. This isn't just a keyboard for typing. It's built for gaming, productivity, and customization. It's made for users who want flexibility across devices, and it's designed for long-term comfort and performance. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that offers portability, customization, and modern connectivity in a clean, compact form, the NuPhy Node 75 is absolutely worth considering. The product featured in this video is linked in the description below. If this breakdown helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more real-world tech reviews, and let me know in the comments. Are you using this for gaming, work, or a multi-device setup? I'll catch you in the next one.